Ang question ni Anonymous is, pwede bang mag-avail ng SS disability ang diabetic? Or even if you are already retired, pwede pa po bang maka-avail? How's the process po?
Okay. So, una yung tanong kung puwede ba, yung dun sa yung diabetic 'no. So, puwede naman siyang i-file for diabetes, yung diabetes mellitus 'no. So, maliban dun sa basic documentary requirements, usually hihingian diyan ng recent and serial FBS results, taken during the last 2 years before yung date ng filing. Ayan, hospital abstract discharge summary if na-confine din due to that case. And, yung isang tanong kung however kung retired na, let's say for example, you're already receiving your, retirement pension kasi considered nga yun na final claim na. 'Pag gano'n kasi na meron tayong final claim, other benefits hindi na tayo makakapag-avail din. We're not entitled anymore to any other benefits aside from that final claim, whether it be a retirement or total disability, alin man po dun yung mauna. Kasi considered final claim na nga din sila. So, kung halimbawa, yun nga, retirement, tumatanggap na ng retirement pension, tapos nagkasakit, so hindi na din pwede for sickness benefit. So, kung hindi pa naman pensioner, like wala pang final claim, hindi pa retiree. So, yung process, kaganina yung pinakita natin, no, pwedeng online naman. Just make sure na na-download nyo yung na-scan yung QR code or search nyo lang po dun sa website namin under circulars yung 2022-013 para makita po yung additional supporting documents on top of the basic na re-require para dire-diretso or tuloy-tuloy yung processing natin ng inyong disability claim application. Yun.